Welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you people are getting benefits. This video is definitely going to change your life, and it is going to be a great motivation for all of you. So yes, you have read the title right. This student that I'm going to tell you about, this great inspirational story that definitely is going to inspire you a lot. This student has received his result and he spent only 1000 rupees, and he was so good, he was so fortunate, and I'm really thankful that he shared his story. And I'm also going to tell you about his whole story, that how he achieved it and what is the funda about that 1000 rupees and how you can achieve the same. I hope you are doing well. Today I received my result and I can't wait to tell you the whole story. I got band 7 overall by spending only 1000 rupees. I'm sharing this message so that others can take inspiration from this. As I will tell my methods that I used from your video, because of quarantine lockdown I did not have any teacher, so the only hope for me was YouTube. So this is during the quarantine, during the lockdown period. As it is clearly seen that this is the result of 29 June 2020. It was computer driven exam. So there were 15 readings. So first, here's the budget of 1000 rupees that I used it. Okay, so that I used likhna tha. It's okay. There were 15 readings that I did. The print of these readings costed me around 70 rupees. So he shared the price of everything. And then I did the same for listenings. For listening I had 25, that was around 105. So 105 rupees. For writing I bought Al's Made Easy book for 400 rupees. I asked him further questions. He told me that he bought this book from Amazon. You can also buy it, or maybe from your nearby store. And I also purchased your Jan to April Q card 2020 for 200 rupees and an internet pack of 300 rupees for additional internet usage. Okay, so this is just traditional stuff. So the budget was around 1000 rupees. He was supposed to write 1000 rupees. So we can see that 3 to 5 for 900, and then yes, it was more than 1000, but still it was really great. So starting with writing, fortunately my sister is an English teacher. So English teacher उनकी जो sister है, I took grammar help from her. Honestly, sir, I blindly trusted you. In one video, you told that just learn present simple, continuous, would, should, could, and especially their passive. I asked my sister to teach me only this. Then I decided to follow 7 band playlists, as you can see on the screen. On your channel, I made sure to read 5-6 essays from the book. I felt bored, but I just forced myself. It was going to help me, and then fortunately I got the essay that I had already read and got 6.5 in writing. Yes, this is something really great. Again, I'm going to tell you, if you really want to get 6.5, especially for academic students, all you need to do is active passive very well in present simple, continuous, would, should, and could. Yes, ideas do matter, but still these things really help you to get 6.5. Your first focus, your primary focus should be on these 5 things. After that, you need to read, as he mentions that he was reading 5-6 essays every day. So reading essays is the best thing. Okay, so first thing you are going to do is just develop active passive for these things, and then you are going to do what you are going to do, reading essays. Okay, and now my speaking was somewhat good, as I had already scored 6 last time, but I did not have anyone to guide me that time. One day I got your channel, saw your speaking PDF, and immediately decided to buy. So उन्होंने PDF के बारे में कहा. I wanted to get 7 at least because one of my cousins got 7. Everyone praised to me, so it was like a family competition. Okay, so उनके फैमिली में से किसी के बैंड आ गए, तो अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि फैमिली में किसी के बैंड आ जाए तो चारों तरफ से बस ये होता है कि हमारे कब आएंगे, चारों तरफ से ऐसा होने लगता है. So this thing happens, and this is the reason why he did not want to disclose his name. Okay, so he shared this story. It was like a family competition. I hope his cousins do not watch this video. So let's pause. I read your speaking PDF at least 3 times to properly understand all. In your videos, you always tell that focus on past tense more and speak some special words in follow-ups that I noted from your videos, and also tips from your PDF were really handy. Also, you can see this on the screen. Maybe this is the video that he is referring to. And follow-up tips are really important, guys. You can also see on your screen, this is the video that will help you to score very well in your follow-ups. Listening was an easy part for me. So listening has always been really easy for majority of the students. So not many students struggle in this subject. There are only a few selected people, so some great personalities who face some issues in listening, but other than that, not many people do this. I was also struggling with spellings, only struggling with spelling. So I was checking my spellings carefully and wrote all my mistakes of spellings and rewrote them on a different notebook, because usually some same type of words repeated listening. I got 7 in listening too. So this is again great thing, guys. So what you need to do is, we already know that in listening so many words repeat themselves, and what we need to do is that we do so many mistakes in case of spellings. So all you need to do is just check your spellings properly, because you are going to lose your score if your spelling is not right. You can just correct all your 40 answers of listening, but if you are doing mistakes in spellings, you would have to suffer, you would lose your scores. So make sure to write it on a separate notebook. I think this is a great strategy for all of us. I'm so happy. Okay, sorry, I forgot the reading part. Reading was the most difficult part, and I was really scared of reading. So काफी डरे हुए थे. I just wanted to get 6 in. Okay, 6 in reading. Maybe this is what he wanted to write, and I got exactly the same. Honestly, band 6. This is my favorite line. Honestly, 6 was not less than 9 for me. So उनके लिए 6 बैंड लेना किसी 9 बैंड लेने से कम नहीं था. जिसको रीडिंग में दिक्कत आती है, 6 लेना ही बहुत बड़ी बात है, उसके लिए 6 ही 9 बैंड बन जाते हैं. This was something really great. I was really happy about it. I don't think so I can explain better, but top 5 reading tips video was really great. So you can check that. I'm so happy about my result. I really wanted to share my story. I think it would motivate others in a structured way. Everything is possible. Yes. There was still a lot that I wanted to share, but I think I will just waste a lot of your time. Thanks a lot, sir. So we still wanted to share so many things, but maybe, so I think it was great. I think it's really great to share these type of stories. I think these stories really motivate others to do the same. And he explained his budget, that he spent 1,000 rupees to get band 7. I think it was also great. And the best thing is that he even shared that how he spent that money and how he distributed money to listening, reading, speaking, and writing. So he has given you some great tips. I think these 6 tips are really grateful for you if you also apply them in your regular life. And if you're able to do this, I think you would also be able to get band 7 overall, especially in your academic. And also in case of journal, you can also apply the same principles. This would really help you to achieve the same. So I hope this video was helpful, and if this video was even inspiring for me, this message that this student sent me, it was really inspiring for me, and I think it would also inspire many of you. So let's suppose that it was helpful to all of you. Thanks all.